Okay, this video is going to be all skating at nighttime, Saturday night. So we can just take a look at all the skaters. They're all lined up. And we're just going to check them all out. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And we got some of these stuff right here. Let's zoom in on that. See how they do. Pretty interesting though. Got a little guy there. We got all the skaters over here too, so they're all hanging out. I'll kind of show you the context of where this is at too. So these are AIA building is this one to the red right there. That one down. We're also going to show you a little context. This is Lisboa right there. So Lisboa Casino. And all the skaters in the park. Let's see if we can see some that take this. Zoom in. Kind of cool. Okay, here we go. I don't know much about skating, so I guess it takes time to perfect it, right? Okay, a little taste of Macau. Nighttime, Saturday night. I do see people in here like doing different stuff. Like teenagers doing like kind of like dance competition kind of stuff, like breakdancing kind of stuff, and they call it freestyle. Seen freestyle here and some pretty cool skateboard stuff too. Zoom in on the crowd there. Okay, I guess there's someone just going by. Cool. Very cool. Alright. Recently, I was filming in the daytime, in the nighttime, so today we're just going to film daytime. So that's some kind of cool little stuff, little tricks that they're doing. So it looks like they're here day and night now. I've seen little semblances of it before, but I guess I haven't been in here in a while to see. So yeah, there's skaters all the way down there too. And this thing is new. I don't know if somebody brought it with them or if it's actually permanently there. But whatever the case is, it's here as well. I'll look up and see what else is here. Okay. So we'll zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, and we'll just compute. We'll see what trick this guy's doing. There we go.